Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Weekly Wellness. I'm your host Kenny, and in today's episode we will be covering meal prepping. We will be going over the health benefits to meal prepping and a couple ideas to get you started. Alright, let's get going. Firstly, to get into meal prepping, we need to learn portion control. Planning your own meals will allow you to see how much you're actually eating. This also prevents you from overeating at restaurants, which tend to serve a way bigger, unbalanced portion of food than you should be consuming. I like to follow the thirds method, meaning 1/3 fats, 1/3 proteins, and 1/3 carbs. A great option for a dinner would be a Cajun shrimp and broccoli pasta. This is a great end of the day treat. Next, let's get into the whole reason that we are meal prepping: eating healthy. When you're hungry and your blood sugar drops, you're more inclined to eat whatever you can get the fastest. This is why some of us settle for the closest fast food joint with unhealthy options. Meal planning eliminates this issue when you have a balanced meal at your fingertips, filled with nutrient-dense food prepped and ready to go. A nice snack to eliminate the 2:30 crash is either protein cookies or some fruit and veggies. Another great aspect of meal prepping is that we can save time. Being hungry and realizing you have nothing planned is undoubtedly stressful. Instead of standing in front of your fridge or pantry deciding what to whip up, you can have your healthy meal ready in minutes. This also saves you the hassle of cleaning up after cooking. Not only will we be saving time, but we will also be saving money. Everyone can agree that saving money is something we all love to do, and meal planning is a great way to help. While you skip out on spending money at restaurants, meal planning also involves buying items in bulk, which can be a huge money saver. When you're ordering out, you often tend to waste a lot of food. When it comes to meal prepping, you go to the grocery store with a plan and know how you're going to use all of the items. When every food has a purpose, you won't have to worry about items in your fridge going to waste, whether you're cooking for your entire family or just yourself. Taking the time to plan your meals for the week ahead is definitely worth the effort. The key is just to set aside a little bit of time each week to do it. Alright everyone, meal prepping is a great way to get into a healthier lifestyle. We learned how meal prepping gives us proper portion control, shows us how to eat healthier, saves us time and money, and we won't waste as much food in the long run. Thank you all so much for an amazing semester of Weekly Wellness. I've been your host Kenny, and I hope to see you again in the future. Take care.